Now what I want to do is give you a long tail version of the product overview. I want you to understand that these designs were intended in order to present this opportunity and the product and the long tail vision of what this product's going to do. In this example, I would like to use Melissa Jenkins. Melissa Jenkins is logging into her account and she comes onto her newsfeed. Now I want you to imagine this just like Facebook, just like Pinterest, just like another newsfeed. Here's a newsfeed. Melissa Jenkins is logged in. You can see that she's having a barbecue with great friends. You can see Cameron Phillips took a picture of his girlfriend playing tennis, and you notice some very interesting features here. You notice number one, there's a camera icon right here. And what does that do? Snap it. Take a picture and watch the items in the picture turn into product that can be purchased at the lowest online price just with one click. Content becomes e-commerce. So what happens is Melissa Jenkins takes a picture. From that picture, she's able to tag items in that picture. When she tags the items in that picture, those items, through our search algorithm, find the guaranteed lowest price on those items and similar items and make them available to purchase for her or by somebody viewing her post. Now, when she does this post, and she has it connected to Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, any other social network, it will also share this post on those networks. If anybody interacts with those posts, it will bring them over here. In another scenario, if Melissa has Facebook and Twitter and the other social networks connected, she'll not just see a newsfeed full of stuff from this social network, she'll also see pictures from Facebook and other social networks. If she clicks on one of those pictures from a Facebook post from, let's say, her friend John, and she clicks on John's Audi car and tags that car, John's going to get invited to this network to split a commission. And that is one of the most viral features of the product that we have, is inviting people by offering to split a commission on the sale of a product through e-commerce. This is the future of social networking. The next feature I would like to discuss is Grow It. Grow It. Share, follow, and like all wrapped up into one place with this unique option, allowing users to stay updated with content and people. So, similar to like on Facebook, similar to sharing or following, when somebody clicks grow on a post, the networks that they are connected to, Facebook, etc., it will grow that post over there. It will also regrow that post here, and they're also connected to it for later should they be interested in something. Buy it or wish it. This option allows you to open up the picture so you can save something within the picture for later or purchase it right now in real time. Now, as I explained, the user interface design here is shown to give you the long tail idea of how a purchase or transaction would take place. The new designs will be much easier on the eye and much better for user interface design and more enjoyable for the user, but this is merely for presentation. So in other words, from this you can see that Melissa's tagged some items in this picture, and a user or herself could buy those items, knowing they're getting the guaranteed lowest price through all the affiliates that we offer through our back end. Comment is the next feature. This one's very self-explanatory. It's basically where you just communicate with the person based on their post. And this one's really special. You see those 3 bars right there. Imagine touching those 3 bars with your finger, and the swipe comes over. And this is where you access your notifications, your friends, your messages, your account settings, your profile, shopping cart, so on. But the very critical feature that's here, that's going to be coming in version, let's say, 1.5 of the product, is the search feature. The search feature is going to be special because you can search for people or products. So I want to just imagine a woman goes here and she types in purse. Her newsfeed fills up with friends and family and people that allowed public posts with pictures of purses. She's shopping purses from real life. What I call this is the People's app. The reason I call it the People's app is because once you have this and you use it, you become a marketer of the products in your life. You're able to monetize the photos that you share. Of course, we look at bringing in content and videos later in later models and later versions of the product. But just imagine when somebody can take a picture or share their content, monetize it, make it purchasable through third party, and have an incentive because they can make or share a commission from the sale of that product without having to go to Amazon, without having to go to any of these retailers or wholesalers and set up an account. That is powerful. I like to use this search feature. In my own example, I like to fish. I am from the country, small town. I search for fishing pole, I'm going to get a lot more than just a fishing pole. I'm going to see pictures of people fishing, where they're fishing. I'm going to get reports about fishing. I'm going to see the fishing poles actually being used in action on real people, not on a model, not with a white background that's photoshopped. I'm going to be able to comment with the people and ask them, hey man, how's that fishing pole work? What do you think of it? What would you recommend? So it's like getting reviews and everything all into one. It's real life. It's shopping in real life. That's how this product's going to change the future. And this is going to change and bend the way social networking is done today.